YouTubers, Mr. Nobody here to bring you an exciting video on my top 5 cryptocurrencies that are undervalued for 2018. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button. There's going to be many more videos to come. Give me a thumbs up and share this video. To start it off, number 5, WhatreSwap, AST. WhatreSwap, guys, is at a current price of $1.03. They have only a circulating supply of a total of 150 million coins, so it's very, very low. What WhatreSwap is bringing to the market is they are an exchange, creating a very powerful exchange, and I've been following up with these guys, following up their Twitter, reading up their news and what they've been accomplishing. They've been, I feel that in order to create a very successful exchange, you have to work with, people from all over the world, and these guys are doing just that. They're expanding and they're collaborating with a lot of other countries to create a unified and very strong exchange. Very great cryptocurrency, guys, with only 150 million circulating supply. This guy will hit in the high 20s to $30 this year. So buy now and hold for Q3 and Q4. My number 4 is Mysterium. Mysterium, guys, MYST, is currently 93 cents and only has 19 million in total circulating supply. In comparison to that, this is very similar. This is about 3 or 4 million off to Bitcoin, guys. This guy is gonna explode. This is a golden ticket. I mean, golden nugget, I would say, golden ticket. Whatever golden fancies your analogies. This is a great cryptocurrency to buy and hold for the long run, guys. Buy this and just completely forget about it. Well, I mean, don't completely forget about it, but come back to it. Q3, Q4, this cryptocurrency is going to explode. It has a very low circulating supply. Mysterium is creating something that we are definitely going to need and always in need of, especially with this kind of market, if the world continues to not want to cope with it. And what I mean by that, I mean those governments and everyone's trying to regulate it. So we will be needing a decentralized VPN powered by a blockchain. This is going to be great. Great tool for us cryptocurrency traders. Because as we all know, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. So these guys are making moves. They're motivated. They're constantly making well accomplishments. Their roadmap is terrific. So great cryptocurrency to buy and hold again for Q3, Q4, and in the long run, buy a lot now that's at a very, very low price with a 38%. This is like a Black Friday sale for this cryptocurrency. So buy it now, buy it today, and I will move on to the next one. Number 3 would be Nebula, Nas. I would say Nas, right? Like the singer, but NAS, guys, Nebula, currently $8.65 per crypto coin, 75 to 68 Satoshis. Circulating supply is only 35 million, guys. What I'm showing you guys are very low circulating supplied coins. They have been out now. This guy's been out since August of last year. And its all-time high looks like it was around $14. So at $8.65, this guy is definitely going to go up. Once this FUD is over, this guy will explode past up the $14 and $15 range. Hold till Q3, Q4. What these guys are creating is Nebula is creating a decentralized search framework. They're going to be the Google, or at least that's what the community is calling them, the Google of the cryptocurrency search engine blockchain. So These guys are going to be the first of their kind in the cryptocurrency world, and I see a ton of value of that, especially with a company like Mysterium and Nebula. These are going to be the tools we're going to need for the future, with the decentralization of cryptocurrencies. So buy now, guys. Hold for the long run. All right, and that brings me to number 2, which is Ubik. Guys, Ubik is very hot right now at a great, awesome price with only 39 million circulating with $4, a little over $4. Ubik, I'll tell you right now, they're going to be creating a unified ecosystem of a wallet. They're also going to create a browser-based system, and also servers for off and online to storing your cryptocurrency. And it's pretty much what we need right now. We need a very powerful wallet that will carry all of our accounts, all of our assets, all into one, and call it a day. It's something great for us to look forward to, because right now there's just way too many wallets. There's way too many different places to keep different cryptocurrencies, and we want to be able to move them pretty easily and freely. So Ubik is making things happen. This is a great, definitely great for quarter 3, quarter 4. I'm holding this after the FUD's over. Will definitely break $10. So buy now, guys. Hold on to it. And my last, but not least, my number 1 spot goes to bread, guys. You heard right, bread. Yes, there is a cryptocurrency called bread if you haven't heard of it. And I'm going to tell you this right now, guys. This cryptocurrency will explode. Look at that activity. It's getting a lot of attention, a lot going on. It's 59 million circulating supply with only $1.43 of a coin right now at a 24% negative activity going on over the last 24 hours. If we look at even anything remotely close to that total circulating supply at a current price right now, 60 million, we're looking at a coin like Neo, guys, 65 million with a price of 143. This coin has reached this week over $200, at about $200. Bread, guys, is a coin that is going to reach the $200 mark sometime this year, I believe, because of what they got going on. What Bread is they are a application that will sell and buy cryptocurrencies at a very, very low rate, kind of like those Coinbase guys. So Coinbase sells, and you can sell and you can buy your cryptocurrencies. Well, Bread is going to do the same thing, but how they're going to beat them is they're going to offer very low rates, very low rates, guys. So Bread is going to kill it for this market. They're going to offer some free services as well, and it's about time we get some other cryptocurrencies in the market that offer more coins than just the ones that Coinbase offer, so that we can have more buying power and more flexibility with buying other cryptocurrencies in the market. Bread, guys, will hit over $150 and $200 this year, guys. So keep an eye out for that. They got some big stuff going on. So buy now, hold on for the long run. And that's my top 5. I had no way of really just labeling these top 5, these 5 currencies. Honestly, they're all number 1s in my eyes. But Bread for sure, though, I like to say has a lot of great stuff I've been reading up. So check these 5 cryptocurrencies out. Let me know what you guys think. Share with me and let me know if there's some other cryptocurrencies I should have looked at and taken into account. I will be updating more videos and sending more videos like this every week, so please subscribe, guys. I got some great signals and some cryptocurrencies coming up too, but these top 5 names that I just mentioned today. You will hear from them again. You will hear them again, guys. So I'm giving you the big signal to buy now and hold. I'm telling you guys, don't let go of any of these 5 cryptocurrencies. These are the golden nuggets for 2018, and they are super undervalued with this great discounts right now. Now is the time to buy. Excuse me. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.